सभी क्लैप कीजिए. This is our traditional Nishi tribe's headgear, and the cat also belongs to Nishi tribe. Next, I request myself. I'll present to Maman Majumdar ji. Next, I request Secretary ACA to okay, thank you. Next, I request Treasurer ACA to give a token love to Mr. Gaurav Saxena, who is accompanied with the Honorable Secretary BCCI. ठीक है Joint Secretary to come here.
Second, the page to visit. This is the most strategically important border state of country along with Mr. Majumdar and team. Today is a historic day for us. The country along with region being there for the first time. Any office bearer of BCCI is among us here in Arunachal Pradesh. Under your able monitoring and a new beginning in the cricket in Arunachal has started. I would like to say that Arunachal Cricket Association became full member of BCCI. During this short span of the little over 1 year as a full member of BCCI, the Arunachal Cricket Association is vigorously trying to establish good infrastructure like grounds, indoor academy, stadium, etc. As we know, without good ground and other structure for the practice, it is very difficult to us. Explore the cricket talents. We are also under negotiation with the various government and private schools for school level cricket tournaments. As of today, I would like to tell you that we have got 2 plots of land measuring 25 acres approximately at Ross Village, Doimuk Circle, Papumpare district, which is 10 kilometers from where we are sitting now, and 1 Alubari Chokam Namsai district in eastern part of Arunachal. We had engaged Mumbai-based architect who has the domain expertise to prepare the DPR, and they have completed the DPR for infrastructure development in the above land, which would be submitted to your office very soon for the consideration under your inspector subsidy scheme of BCCI. Sir, as we are well aware that we do not have other financial resource created the infrastructure and claim subsidy, we may given advance to the tune of 50% of the project cost, which could be adjusted in the due course of time. If such progressive decisions are not taken under your leadership, then we, the North-Eastern State, will continue to lag behind with the need one-time special hand-holding this financial matter. I hope you will appreciate our request. With very limited grant and net practice facilities, our men and women team are practicing in the various BCCI tournaments and putting in their efforts, and hope that we will improve our game in coming years. At last, once again, from the core of my heart, on behalf of Arunachal cricket lovers of the state, I thank you, sir, for choosing to visit Arunachal, and this has given us the tremendous encouragement to work and hard, and it means a lot to us. I pray that Almighty God will give you a long life and wish you that you will lead the BCCI in the years to come, and we are always with you, sir. Jai Hind.
But we don't have an infrastructure. So all of us, all the Northeast, 6 states, we have to develop infrastructure. And I want that all of us should support our players, make them play. And in the near future, we will develop this infrastructure. And on behalf of the Arunachal Cricket Association also, I'd like to request the BCCI Secretary, CEO and all, that to take care of Northeast. We know that our BCCI Secretary has a soft corner for Northeast, and that's why I am very happy that he has come here and he is going to visit all the other Northeast states also, and we can expect some very, very good things during his time. I am thankful to Arunachal Cricket Association for organizing this program. Thank you.
I would like to thank you for your warm hospitality and warm delighted to announce that to boost the cricket activities here. So first of all, I would like to announce first indoor academy in Arunachal Cricket, which will cost 5 to 7 crore rupees, and it will be borne by BCCI. So it will be adjusted against your amount due to association, but BCCI will do their expense. BCCI will hire agency like PwC, and we will hire good contractor like L&T or Shapoorji to create such kind of facility. We understand that the indoor coaching facility is of utmost importance in Northeast states because you have a lot of rainfall here. So board will construct an indoor facility in each of these states so that cricketing activities are not hampered due to inclement weather. To shape our vision, BCCI will identify reputed architects and consultants to draw up a design of the indoor facility with all requisite facility and equipment, including the gymnasium also. So we will construct academy as well as gymnasium. Another very important aspect if cricket needs to grow in the region would be availability to full-size ground with proper drainage facility, sprinkler system and ground equipment. In addition, there should also be basic minimum facilities like dressing room with modern facility, match officials room, conference room, space of storage of cricketing equipment. Hence, another focus area of the board would be develop at least one such full-size cricket ground in all Northeast states. Along with the creation infrastructure, it is also essential to have development program for an all-round growth. So, as such, BCCI is of the view that with the help of NCA, a talent search may be undertaken in each of Northeastern state where talented cricketer across all age group will be shortlisted, and our coach will work closely with the kids to harness their skills. Moreover, the BCCI intends to ask NCA to prepare blueprint for the development of the cricketers in the region, and it would also assist the states in starting tournament at the grassroots level. So it is important that kids start early and receive the right training. Furthermore, to make this state self-sufficient, training program for umpire, video analysts, coaches would be undertaken under the aegis of the NCA, National Cricket Academy. It is pertinent to mention that the timeline set to complete all such work is 2 years. BCCI is confident that once the proposed infrastructure is created and cricket development program are implemented, the northeastern states will see a major transformation. The future looks very bright, and I saw the presentation which was done by Mr. Jaishil Patel, so it was a good presentation. But I think my view is that, so building a youth stadium, that is a good idea. But first of all, we have to create a good infrastructure like training facility and everything. And I am not discouraging bigger ground, but rather than we are building a bigger ground, we have to build small ground in each area of the Arunachal Pradesh. So I think it will help out your player. And my humble suggestion to you is that you have to encourage your own local player rather than you will spend money on the outskirts player. So you have to look at your own player. So Arunachal is the largest state of the northeast. So you have huge potential, huge area, and so you have to develop your local cricket. So in 2019 you got full affiliation. So after 2019, I think BCCI reimbursed more than 10 crore rupees to Arunachal Cricket Association. So it's the same like your advance against due to 1920. So Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister is fond of Northeastern state. So I think we will work together. So first of all, as I asked you earlier, that you have to develop local cricket first. So we will provide you coaching staff, support staff from the NCA, and for talent search, we will provide you NCA staff also. So as far as when I saw the presentation, so if you want to build up a huge ground like this, so you have to develop infrastructure like hotels and everything. So first of all, our motive is to build ground in each and every region of the Arunachal, so it will help your cricketer also. So thank you once again for your warm hospitality, and thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words and your commitment to develop